Hello everyone, welcome back again to Gulab Foundation. Today we are here to discuss about the previous Sainik School entrance exam question paper of 2018 with solution also, which is created by the selected students. Here you can see this. So let's move to the questions. All India Sainik School entrance exam 2018 paper first, mathematics, GK and language, class 6th. So here you will write your name with full and roll number, initial of invigilators and code number. Instructions. From here you can read the instructions. So let's move to the questions. Section B, general knowledge. Which feature helped a coconut fruit float in water? So the correct option is A, fibrous outer covering. Next question, which of the following is a non-communicable disease? So the correct option B, beriberi. So let's move to the next question. The rabies virus is carried by the, and the correct option C, dogs. Next question, the milk sour is a, so the correct option of this question is C, chemical change. So let's move to the next question. The wearing of a carrying away the of soil by the action of water or wind is called. So the correct option is C, soil erosion. Next question. Whales and dolphins are classified as. So the correct option of this question is C, mammals. Next question is, the working of the internal organs of our body is controlled by the, and the correct option is D, nervous. Next question is, a person might faint if his foot does not send enough blood to his. So the correct option is brain. Let's move to the next question. The upward push of water on a floating object is called, and the correct option is A, Buoyant force. So let's move to the next question. The first artificial satellite launched by the India in 1975 was. So the correct option is B, Charka. Let's move to the next question. Those who study earthquakes are called, and the correct answer is B, astronomers. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following gas is not a greenhouse gas? So the correct option is B, methane. So the next question is, the model of the earth is called, and the correct option is C, globe. So let's move to the next question. Agriculture cannot be practiced on the mountains or a large scale as they, and the correct option of this question is C, have a thin soil cover. So the next question is, the condition of the atmosphere at a given place and its time is called, and the correct option D, weather. Next question is, the highway of a Central Africa is another name for, and the correct option is B, river Congo. So let's move to the next question. Most of the grasslands of the world are found in, and the correct option of this question is B, temperate zone. And the next question is, any sound louder than 90 decibels can cause. So the correct option of this question is D, loss of hearing. Loss of hearing is the correct option of this question. So the next question is, Aligarh Muslim University is associated with? So the correct option of this question is D. Syed Ahmad Khan. So the next question. The English government introduced the policy of divide and rule too. So the correct option of this question is D. Suppress nationalism. So the next question is Purna Swaraj means. So the correct option of this question is D. Complete independence. So let's move to the next question. The Lok Sabha can have a maximum number of. So the correct option is B. 552 members. So let's move to the next question. The League of Nations was formed to prevent. And the correct option of this question is D. Another World War. So let's move to the next question. The world has been made smaller due to. The correct option of this question is fast means of transport. So let's move to the next question. Internet is a source of information on. And the correct option is C. Any topic. So let's move to the next question. So from here you can see the answer of this question, section B, and you can check the answer is correct or not. So let's move to the next questions. This is the section C, language part. Okay. Read the following passage and answer the question. Horace Denby. So let's read this passage. Everyone thought that Horace Denby was a good and honest citizen. He was about 50 years old and unmarried, and he lived with a housekeeper who worried over his health. In fact, he was usually very well and happy, except for attacks of hay fever in summer. He made expensive locks and was successful enough at his business to have two helpers. Yes, Horace Denby was a good and respectable person, but not completely honest. 15 years ago, Horace had served his first and only one sentence in prison for stealing jewels. The priest at the prison had liked Horace. Everyone did and had tried to help him to live an honest life. But Horace did not want to become honest. He only wanted to make sure that his dishonesty never got him into trouble again. So let's move to the question. We have read the passage. So the question is Horace Denby was, and the correct option of this question is D. Both A and B. A and B. A is old and B is unmarried. So let's move to the next question. Dash worried about the health of Horace, and the correct option is C. His housekeeper. Next question. For stealing jewels, Horace was sent to prison. So the correct option of this question is for A. Only once. 79th question. The profession of Horace was, and the correct option of this question is D. Locksmith. So let's move to the next question. Choose the word which means the opposite of expensive, and the correct option of this question is A. Cheap. Next question. Choose the word which means almost same as unmarried. So the correct option of this question is D. Bachelors. So let's move to the next questions. Choose the most appropriative opposite given against each other. So the first question is a herd of cows or. So the correct option of this question is C, sheep. So the next question is this is my book and that is dash. So the correct option of this question is A, yours. So let's move to the next question. Rajan's father and Rohan's father dash businessman. So the correct option of this question is A, R. So let's move to the next question. My friends dash been asking for the party photographs. So the correct option of this question is C, have. Next question is Rakesh dash his mother tongue very fluently. So the correct option of this question is C, speaks. So let's move to the next questions. Ankit and his family dash in Europe for 3 weeks. So the correct option of this question is A, have been traveling. 88 question. Bharti dash yoga's classes these days. So the correct option of this question is attending. Option number C. So the next question. My house is dash as yours. So the correct option of this question is B, as big. So the next question is this is the dash comics I have ever read. So the correct option of this question is A, most interesting. So let's move to the next questions. Select one word from the option for the given definition. So the first question is a book or work of an art whose author is known as. So the correct answer of this question is A, anonymous. The next question is a person who believes in the existence of God. So the correct option of this question is B, theist. So the next question, select the most appropriate option for the question tag. So the first question is I have completed my homework dash, and the correct option of this question is D, haven't. The next question, he does not do his work sincerely, and the answer of this question is A, does he. So let's move to the next question. Rearrange the following words, groups of words to make meaningful sentences. Choose the correct sequence given in the options. So the first question, and grandma, section A, my grandma, section B, too much, section C, love each other, section D. And the correct option of this question is D1. BADC. Let's move to the next question. Was pretty, section A, in her childhood, section B, my grandma, section C, and beautiful, section D. And the correct option of this question is C, CADB. So let's move to the next question. Mark the option with the correct spelling of the given words. And the correct option of this question is A, address. This is the correct spelling of address. So let's move to the next question. The next question answer is option number B, appreciation. This is the correct spelling of appreciation. So the next question is choose the appropriate option to fill in the blanks. The question is book is for book, dash is for ship, and the correct option is B, ships. So let's move to the last question of this video. So kids is for kid, dash is for child. So the correct option of this question is C, children. So please like, share and you can get the answers of this question from here, and you can check your doubts if you have any problem. So if this video is useful for you, then like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel and और अपने दोस्तों से शेयर करना ना भूलें। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन मंगलमय हो।